Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asif Khan and today we're going to be exploring the fundamental concept of gravitational field. This unit will cover definitions, strength and real world applications so you can understand how mass creates force fields in space. Defining gravitational fields. A gravitational field is the area around a massive object. Here gravitational force is active. It's a force field like a magnetic field. However, mass causes it, not magnetism. Gravitational field strength is denoted by G, which is force per unit mass. It is a vector quantity and it points in the direction of gravitational force. G is equal to gravitational force divided by mass. Newton's law. From Newton's second law, F is equal to mass multiply acceleration. If we substitute the values, we get G is equal to gravitational force divided by mass. And in numerical equality, acceleration due to gravity equals gravitational field strength numerically. The units of gravitational field strength. The standard SI unit for gravitational field strength is G, which is Newton/kilogram. It can also be expressed as meter per second squared. Factors affecting G. Gravitational field strength decreases with distance from a planet's surface. It varies for different planets, that is due to their unique mass and size. Example is a weight of a school bag. If you want to calculate the gravitational field strength on an unknown planet, you can use the given weights and Earth's gravity. The weight on Earth is 400 Newton and the weight on an unknown planet is 150 Newton. So the gravitational field strength on Earth will be 9.8 Newton per kilogram. So using the formula, we can find the unknown planet's gravitational field strength. As you can see, the weight of the unknown planet divided by the weight of the Earth multiplied by the gravity of Earth is equal to 150 divided by 400 multiply 9.8, which is 9.8 meter per second square. That results to 3.675 Newton per kilogram. The calculated gravitational field strength of the unknown planet matches Mars' gravitational field strength. Therefore, the unknown planet is Mars. I hope you liked my lecture. Make sure to be updated for new lectures. Thank you.